because we love Christy. She's Todd's cousin, and grateful that she's here. I feel like I'm a junior because it's our third year here. And so I wanted to.
And you are?
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mari. Sherae, Forsyth. We're at Peking University, and I've loved being in Beijing. Love the opportunity. But I'm going to use the JR as kind of my format for going on. One of the first things I'm going to incorporate, I teach content, but journaling. And I've seen several people use journaling in a journal that each student had to fill out, keeping track of their oral English, how many times per week, or what they were listening to in English, or writing. Cute Norma Smiley, with her permission, I'm sharing what she did this year using Canvas, but different than she did the former year is every day, 5 days a week, they have to rewrite in English 3 sentences a day. She gives the prompt, they have 24 hours to do it. Before, they'd have the whole week, but by giving it a 24-hour window, they were forced to write every day in English, and every one of her students, she shared a couple of things. Some were written prompts for the journal, some were open-ended, but their English improved so much. I'm with Christine Movement. My students' favorite thing is to stand up and move and do the changing lines. That is probably what didn't do it till last year. Loved it. One of my favorite assignments my students have announced this year was, as I teach culture and business culture, writing resumes. It's practical. They like writing assignments that have a reason, have a purpose. Review, revise, rejoice at the privilege of being here. China is amazing. It is a privilege to be here. These students are brilliant. They have hearts of gold. They want so much in this world. And anyway, I try to incorporate, I have brought some of my surveys to see. I review them, I change my survey every semester. Love it. I get so much feedback from them. I feel so bad for my first semester. It's so much better now. Maybe by next semester I'll even have it figured out, kind of. What I'm doing. Anyway, it's a privilege. Rejoice in that privilege.